An element is subjected to biaxial nominal tensile strains of 0.0030 and 0.0020. The nominal strain in the plane of maximum shear strain is. So he is saying that element is subjected to nominal shear strain of 0.0030 and 0.0020. So these are the strains, let us say Ex and Ey, and he is asking strain in the plane of maximum shear strain. So normal strain in the plane of maximum shear strain. So if you remember, strain invariant sigma x plus sigma y is equal to sigma p1 plus sigma p2, that is equal to sigma that is equal to sigma p1 plus sigma p2. This is strain invariant, and on the plane of maximum shear strain, normal strains are equal. Normal strains are equal. So I mean, this is the basic that you have to remember. On the plane of maximum shear strain, normal strains are equal. So sigma x plus sigma y is equal to sigma plus sigma. So sigma is equal to sigma x plus sigma y by 2, that is equal to 0.0030 plus 0.0020 by 2, that is equal to 0.0025. This is directly you can calculate. This is strain invariant concept. Thank you.